Sabi niya, we hire reactors. Ang trabaho ng reactors, 100 or 200 or so reactors. Ang trabaho po nila ay magbigay ng positive reaction sa mga post ninyo, magbigay ng positibong comment sa mga posts. Yun po ang trabaho. Aside from maintaining around 76 vloggers. Is that correct?
Your Honor, if I may clarify, you mentioned PCSO or PCO?
PCO, I'm sorry.
PCO.
Meron daw kayong maintain na 200 reactors and 76 or so vloggers.
To that point, Your Honor, we don't maintain reactors and bloggers. We have organic supporters of the president who comments on our posts, but we don't retain any of those bloggers or reactors, as you may put it. Those are organic, real people commenting on our posts, commending the activities, the programs of the president, and they are by no means